Okay, mates, we're asking for a tutorial on self-booting. How would I say FreeDVDBoot? Here we go. We have Sonic Riders here. Now, we want to have image burn installed on computer, Ultra ISO installed on computer. And you have the exploit here, video TS folder. So first off, right click your ISO, extract. Okay, we're going to go to the exploit folder, copy the video TS folder, paste it here. Alright, open up image burn. As I said in my instructions text, under tools, settings, I'm going to go to build, page 2, everything under DVD video, untick it. Leave that on start, HD and DVD, Blu-ray video, leave that as is. When you hit OK, you get a warning, just say OK. Now, go to create image, everything in this folder, drag it all, boom. Name it, whatever you want to call it. I'll just put Sonic Riders PS2 so it won't overwrite. Set your directory where it's going to go. I just leave it in the same directory. Boom. Yes. Let it do its thing. Now, for every game you have that you extract your image file to your folder, use the same video TS. It's universal. So you don't have to do it again and again and again and again and again and again. Go to mode, right, select the image file. You'll notice the file size is a little different, a little higher. Alright, a DVD-R, Sony disc. Funny. Using their own against them. No, not really. This is educational. Nostalgia, like you want to have a certain collection. I mean, we're not going to do every game. And hit right. My burner only supports 6. They say 4 is the best. Let it do its thing. This is all in real time. No cuts, no edits. What's happening here is we're creating a data CD DVD, and the PS2 sees it as a DVD video. Once it pops in, it'll unlock the Mechacon on the DVD player, as explained by CTurt, by using his newfound corruption methods to bypass the Mechacon in a different way, not requiring a memory card or free memory card boot, not bashing any of them. But it's just cool, all in all, seeing that you can have a self-booting image on these slim PlayStation 2s and possibly other models in the future, depending on how hard it gets worked on. I've only got a few titles working. Some may or may not work in the future, like I was talking about in the instructions text. Yet you'll see games with hidden files, things like that. I tried Sly 3. Apparently that was all the files. It's got a black screen. But I know this one works, so I'll make a little tutorial. Certain folks can try other games, and we'll see what happens. And she's writing. Meanwhile, let's turn on the PlayStation 2. Get it ready. We're all halfway there, mates. We will see in a moment. Now I know in CTurt's tutorial it talked about moving offsets and replacing the IFOs and all this and that. I did a similar thing. I just haven't went to modify all these offsets and numbers. It could affect playability on certain titles that don't work, but I'm not a genius. I just know that this has seemed to work so far. Maybe some more insight, more depth. I just know how to use software. I'm not really a coder. Don't know about like offset sectors, padding, any of that stuff. I just enjoy using the hacks and seeing new things happen in the scene. That's just me. We'll say thanks to CTurt, Wide Vintage Gamer, Mr. Mario 11, all of them. I always check their channels, see notes from them everywhere, all over the net, GV10, PSXing, all kinds of things. Grew up on this stuff, and I just want to share my findings for folks that are just trying to get it to work, because there hasn't been a real tutorial on how to do it. Not in English anyways. Here we go. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. See if this good old PS2 still works. Sometimes it's a hit or miss, but she still kicks. Might have to buy a new laser. Alright. There we go. Self-booting Sonic Riders, hopefully. Make sure it's down. And there we are. Let's get a controller. It's an old generic one. And there we go. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Till next time. Alright. That's my tutorial.